How to solve TikTok comment problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve TikTok comment problem on Android phone. First, just open settings and then go to apps and then apps again, and here just type TikTok and here we'll find it. Click on it and go to this one here, data usage. Enable all of those here: mobile data, Wi-Fi and background data, and then go back, click here for stop, and then go to permissions, enable all of those here. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here to storage and clear cache, and then restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.